Hi, Ally. Hi, Liliana. Hello, Mr. Ferguson.
Hello, Mr. Weiss.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
All right. Liliana, hello. Hello, Niani.
Hi, Mr. Weiss.
Hi. Hello, Jaden.
What up, Mr. Weiss?
What up? Hi, Donovan. Hello, Sanaya. Hello, Marcella. Hello, Aman. Hi, Jackson. Hi, Lachey. I was wondering why this Frisbee kept looking bigger and bigger, and then it hit me. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. What's black and white and goes around and around? A penguin in a revolving door. That's bad, bad, bad. I used to be addicted to the hokey pokey, but then I turned myself around. That's what it's all about.
That was a good one.
Thank you, thank you. I'll be here all week. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. I thought about going on an all almond diet, but that's just nuts. Why don't skeletons go to prom? Because they have no body to go with. What did the grape do when he got stepped on? He let out a little wine. I used to work in a shoe recycling shop. It was soul destroying.
Hey, what good, Mr. Weiss?
Jay Sean, how you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm all right. Hey, Jay Sean, real quick, I got a message from Ms. Green about like when I'm available for you, because like you're gonna get extra time with other teachers, but you know that you have no trouble with my class, right? I mean, like you just
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
okay. I just want to make it clear. I told her, look, he doesn't have a problem with my class. I mean, you don't need like extra help. You just missed a couple of quizzes and you fixed it, and now your grade's back where it needs to be, right?
Yeah, I'll let her know.
It's all good. Okay, thank you. All right. Why did the Invisible Man turn down the job offer? He couldn't see himself doing it. Alrighty. So last week we talked about the three angles of a triangle. Now we're going to add one more piece of the puzzle. So for example, all right, all right. I just want to look at this triangle for the moment. The three angles of a triangle, the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, right?
Right. Yeah, that's
Right.
it.
All right. All right. Thank you. Okay. So if this bottom angle here is 70, and this bottom angle here is 70, 70 plus 70 is 140, plus 40 makes 180, right? So that's a 180 degree triangle. As any triangle is 180 degrees. Yeah. That I will always understand, Jason. That when I know computer issues, I get it. Okay. So now, do you also agree, just looking right here? Let me show you. If we're looking right here, let me make that bigger. Over here. Okay. Straight line. Do you agree that a straight line is 180 degrees? That right there is 180 degrees, right? Okay. So right here, if this is 180 degrees right here, okay, if this guy here is 70, does it make sense that this angle is 110? Because 70 plus 110 is 180 degrees. Can I please have a thumbs up if you see what I'm saying? 70 plus 110 is 180. Thank you, Jaden. Thanks, Lachey and Yanni, Donovan, Mr. Ferguson, thank you. Paul, Jishan, all right. Jasmine, thank you. Okay. Marcella, thank you. Aman, Ali, thank you. Okay, good. Okay. So right here, we have 180 degrees. If this angle here is 70, this angle here is 110. Okay. Now, looking back over here, looking back at this triangle, what is this angle plus this angle? That's 70 and 40. If I add 70 plus 40, what's that?
You
Can
said what?
somebody- If I say 70 plus 40, how many degrees is that?
110.
110, right? So what I'm saying here is, do you agree that this and this makes 110 degrees, right? So what I'm saying is 110 plus this 70. 110 plus this 70 makes 180, right? Does everyone agree that these two angles that I circled in purple, the two angles that I circled in purple are 110, and 110 plus 70 makes 180, right?
Yes. Yes. That's
Okay, all right. And over here, this 70
this makes
this
182. It's
plus this 110 also equals 180, right?
yeah, that's true as well.
That's true as well. Guess what? Are you ready? This angle here, this blue circled angle, will always equal this angle plus this angle. Always. These two angles, okay, I'm going to say angle A plus angle B equals angle BCD. That's this angle here, right? BCD. Here's B. Here's C. Here's D, right? Angle BCD. That's this angle here. This is called the exterior.
Are you saying they
angle.
congruent?
The congruent. I'm saying this angle here, this angle is called the exterior angle. See, it's the outside of the triangle. This angle right here is equal to these two added together. Always. Okay. Can I have a thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying there? Thank you. Donovan, Mr. Ferguson, Liliana, Niani, Lachey, Allie, Jasmine, Deshaun, Jaden, thank you. All right. So here's, I'm going to put it a much simpler way. Okay. if this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is
You're not
D.
sharing, Mr.
Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Okay. If I have angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Angle A plus angle B equals angle D. That's always the case, always. Okay? That's always the case. In fact, let me ask you this one. Whoops. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this equals 180 degrees, right? Angle C plus angle D equals 180 degrees, right? So these two are equal statements. I'm going to subtract C from both sides. Watch this. I'm just going to take away C here, take away C here. And angle A plus angle B equals angle D. A plus B equals D is always the case. Angle A plus angle B equals angle D. All right. One more time. You understand that those two angles equal the exterior angle. Can I have a thumbs up? Yes, thank you. Jaden, Niani, Ali, Marcelo, Jay Sean, Donovan, thank you. Mr. Ferguson, thank you. Aman, Lachey, thank you. All right. Good. Now, next. Okay. What is the measure of the question mark? What is the measure of the question mark? Okay. Would you agree that 74 plus question mark equals 101? Does that make sense? 74 plus the question mark equals 101, right?
Mr. Weiss, can I send you the answer in private chat?
You want, yes, go for it. Put the answer in the private chat.
You want to know what the question mark is, right?
Yeah, I want to know what the question mark is. Correct. What's the question mark? Try again, Jishan. Good, Jaden. Aren't I going to minus 74 from both sides? Question mark equals 27. Right? 27 plus 74 equals 101. Okay. May I have a thumbs up if that makes sense, please? Paul, thank you. Donovan, Niani, Lachey, Mr. Ferguson, thank you. Aman, thank you. How about you, Mandy? You good over there? Mandy. Perla, you good? Marcella, thank you. Sanaya, how about you? Allie? Thank you, Perla. Thank you, Jaden. Jayshawn, thank you. Gerard, I didn't say hello to you today. It looked like you were having some computer issues there. You doing all right? How you doing today? All right. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do the next one. Allie, thank you. Okay. Put your answer in the private chat. What is the measure of the question mark? What's the question mark angle? No, Jay Sean, try again. No, Aman, try again. Thank you, Paul. Good job. Okay. Come on, I want an answer from everybody. Let's go. The longer you take to answer, the longer it takes to have this class. You're close. Actually, Donovan, yes. Ali, yes. Aman, yes. Niani, you're close. Try again. Lachey, yes.
Hello.
All right. Jaden, yes. Do you agree that 60 plus question mark equals 135? Right? What do we do to both sides? Minus 60. $135 minus 60. 75. Right? Make sense? May I have a thumbs up if that made sense, please? Thank you, Paul. Lachey, Jashawn, thank you. Donovan, Aman, Mr. Ferguson, thank you. How about you, Pearl? Are you good? Yanni, Allie, Amanda? Yanni, thank you. Perla, thank you. Allie, thank you. Mendy. Jasmine, how about you over there? How you doing? Liliana, thank you. Jason, what about you? Shay, how about you? Now, there's a difference between Jason and Jason. All right, moving on. Next one. Where? Oh, here we go. Ah, what's the measure of this angle? All right. What's the measure of the question mark angle here? Very good, Jay Sean. Try again, Jaden. Good, Mr. Ferguson. Yes, Donovan. Say no to drugs, Paul. Try again. Aman, very good. Very good, Aman. But Aman, do you know how to do it as a direct message instead of putting it out to everybody? Good, Jaden.
Yeah, I know how to do it, yeah.
Okay. All right. In this problem, do you agree that 31 plus 73 equals question mark? No, I believe you, Jaden. All right. 31 plus 73 happens to be 104. Bada bing, bada boom. Right? Make sense that you added the two to get the 104 that time? Let's try the next one. Here we go. All right. What is the measure of that question mark? Put it in the chat. Go. Private chat. Don't shout it out to everyone. Put it in the chat. What is the measure of the question mark? Yes, Jay Sean. Yes, Mr. Ferguson. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Get your calculator out. Good, Donovan. Let's go. Paul, Allie, Mandy, let's go. Paul, try again. How about you, Jaden? Niani, what are you smoking and can I have some? You added those two numbers. You don't want to add that. And you got to know when you're inside the triangle, there's no way you're going to have any angle inside a triangle that's more than 180 degrees. The three angles together add up to 180. Can't have 191. Jaden, yes. Paul, yes. All right. Come on. All right. I got to see. I want to hear from Allie. I want to see your answer. Liliana, I want to see your answer. Perla, I want to see your answer. Lachey, I want to see your answer. Liliana, try again. Lachey, very good. Jason, I want to see your answer. Jasmine, I want to see your answer. Marcella, I want to see your answer. Sanaya, I want to see your answer. Man, maybe I should just make a quiz out of this. Start making it for credit. That's what I'm going to start doing. You get a 0 if you don't put your answer in there. How can your private chat not work? That makes no sense. All right.
Mr. Wise, I don't know why my private chat doesn't work. It doesn't work for like none of my teachers. Like none of my teachers gets my messages in my private chat. I don't know why. I updated the computer. I don't know why.
And you updated your Zoom, right?
Yeah.
That's so weird. Okay. All right. What's your answer, Sanaya? You're off by 1, Allie.
Is it 103?
103 is correct. Very good. All right. Isn't it 44 plus question mark equals 147? Right? So what do? We minus 44. What do you get? 103. Okay. Here we go. Go. What's the measure of the question mark? Everybody. Everybody put your answer now in the private chat. Yes, Allie. Yes, Mr. Ferguson. Yes, Marcella.
You say yes to me.
Yes. Jay Sean, yes. Lachey, no. Donovan, Liliana, yes. Jaden, sorry if I didn't say so, yes. Niani, yes. All right. $20 plus question mark equals 146. So we minus 20. Question mark equals 126. Close, Jasmine. 126. All right. One more like this. Here we go. Nice and easy. Let's go. What's the measure of angle G? Yes, Aman. Yes, Allie. Good. Yes, Mr. Ferguson. Yes, Lachey. Yes, Jasmine. Yes, Donovan. Liliana, can you tell me, please, what you did to get that answer? I know exactly what you did. You try it again on your calculator. I know exactly what happened. Do it again, Liliana. Tell me what you get. Thank you. You know what happened? I know exactly what happened. You typed on your calculator. Here's what happened. So here's, I want you to be careful. And Liliana, the only reason I'm putting your business out there is because you are not the only one that does this, okay? So I promise you, I am not making fun of you here, okay? Here is what happened to Liliana. She typed in her calculator 120, and she was typing in minus 40. But what happened? She missed the zero. So she missed the zero. What'd she get? She got 116. She tried to push the zero. She thought she pushed the zero, but she didn't. And she got 116, and she entered 116 as her answer. My point is, no, be careful, okay? No good, right? Make sure that you type it correctly. And if you get an answer like 116, I want you to say to yourself, wait a minute, 116? Does 116 plus 40 equal 120? When you get an answer like that, think to yourself, wait a minute, my calculator must be on crack, all right? Let's try this again, okay? Seriously, give me a thumbs up if you understand what I'm telling you about your calculator being on crack sometimes, right? It happens, right? Thank you, Lachey, Jay Sean, right? Thank you, Paul. All right. So always kind of just mentally check your answer, right? Thank you, Marcella. I mean, honestly, you could look at this problem. If you got 116 and say to yourself, wait a minute, there's no way that 116 plus 40 makes 120, all right? The answer here is 80, right? Okay. All right, next case. Solve for X. What? What the goony goo goo do we do here? All right. Would you agree that this plus this equals this? The two blues added together equal the red, right? I'm going to write this. 9x plus 3 plus 6x plus 5 equals 113. Okay. 9x plus 3 plus 6x plus 5 equals 113. All right. Can I please have a thumbs up if you understand just how I set up this problem? Can I have a thumbs up if you understand how I set that up? Allie, thank you. Jaden, Lachey, Marcella, Jasmine, Donovan, thank you. Mr. Ferguson, thank you. Liliana,
I got the
Niani.
answer. Can I private chat it to you?
Not yet. Jasmine, thank you. Okay. All right. Okay. Jackson, you still out there? I haven't heard from you today. You good, Jackson? Oh, thank you. Okay. So now, what am I going to do? I'm going to add 9x plus 6x. 9x plus 6x is 15x. What's 3 plus 5? 8 equals 113. I'm going to minus 8 from both sides. 15x equals 105. I'm going to divide by 15. What is 105 divided by 15? I don't know. I need my calculator. 105 divided by 15 is 7. Thank you, Jashan. Thank you, Allie. Can I have a thumbs up if you understand how x equals 7? Can I have a thumbs up, please? Thank you, Lachey. Thank you, Mr. Ferguson. Come on, who else? Jaden, Jasmine, thank you. Donovan, thank you. Allie, Paul, thank you. Aman, how you doing over there? You good? Marcella, thank you. You promise there, Aman? You're not just putting the thumbs up because you think I just want to see it, right? Okay. Jason, thank you. All right. Here we go. Now you try it. Your turn. Here we go. Uh-oh. No, you know what? I'm going to do this one. Because this one's different. This one is different than this one. Do you see how the X's are inside the triangle and the number by itself is outside the triangle, right? The exterior is outside, right? Over here, look at that. You've got the X outside the triangle this time. Oh, Nelly. Whoa, Nene. What the heck? Isn't this one 7x plus 12 plus 45 equals 14x plus 1, right? So now I'm going to add the 12 and the 45. I'm going to get 57. 7x plus 57 equals 14x plus 1. Now, what the heck do I do here? Oh my God, we got to get back to algebra again. How do I do this? I have 4 choices what to do next. 4. You could either minus 7x from both sides. That's one option. Or you could minus 57 from both sides. Or you could minus 14x from both sides. Or you could minus 1 from both sides. Any of the 4 will take you to the right answer. I've decided I'm going to minus 7x from both sides. I get 57 equals 7x plus 1. Now I'm going to minus 1 from both sides. But wait a minute, Mr. Weiss. If you do that, you've got the number on the left side and the letter X on the right side. That's so weird. Isn't X supposed to be on the left? No. It could be on the right. Correct, I'm on. Now I'm going to divide by 7. And you get X equals 8. Right? Can I please have a thumbs up if you understand X equals 8? Thank you, Donovan. I'm on. Mr. Ferguson, Paul, Jason, Lachey, Liliana, Jaden, Jasmine, thank you. Mandy, how you doing over there? Marcella, thank you,
Which one was
Mandy.
the question mark?
No,
Which one was the question mark?
that is an interesting question. Jay Sean asked which one was the question mark. Do you see a question mark here? I don't. We did not look for an angle. We just solved for X. But let me ask you this question, Jay Sean. I'm not going to have you do this today, but what if I wanted to know what the measure of angle G was? What would you do if I said, what's angle G? Could you tell me what to do?
Subtract.
Nope. I would put X, 8 in for X. See 7X plus 12? Instead of X, I put in 8. See, this 8 would go right in for X. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 12 is 68. G would be 68 degrees. Interesting. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got it.
But I'm not going to give you problems like that today.
I don't
Okay?
see.
We're just solving for X today. Oh, shoot. Okay. Here, next. All right, let's see how you do. This one's kind of like the last one. You try it, go. Private chat me when you get the answer in the private chat. Jay Sean. Yes. Who else? Boom, boom. Anybody? Is anybody even working on the problem? Trying it? Paul, you are?
Yeah.
Hey, Paul, can you just tell me what the first line is that you wrote?
Like 20.
What did you write? What plus
Okay,
what?
12x
12x
plus 8.
plus 8.
I'm still working. It could be negative because
What? Well, 12x plus 8 plus what, Paul?
plus 26
Ah,
plus 70
yes. Equals
equals 26. 26
26x.
x minus 6.
There you go. So 8 plus 70 is 78, right? What would you do to both sides next, Paul?
I would divide them by 12.
I wouldn't do that first. See how you have an x on this side
Oh yeah,
and
you're
an
right. I
x
do.
on this side?
I would subtract those two.
What are you going to subtract?
12 by 26.
Are you going to do minus 26 to both sides or minus 12 to both sides?
Minus 12. Both
That's a
sides.
good call. Minus 12x, minus 12x. And I get 78 equals 14x minus 6. Now what?
All right, now you gotta subtract. Now you gotta subtract 14 from 6.
Eh.
Oh,
It
you gotta
says-
divide them.
Well, here's the thing. Can I do anything with 14x and 6? They're not like terms.
Yeah, you're right, B. Oh yeah,
Oh.
they aren't.
So I can't subtract them.
You can't
Right.
add them.
I can't add them, right?
You
They're
can't even
not
divide
like
them.
terms. I don't want to divide because I don't have letter on one side and number on the other side. See how I have only the letter here is on this side and I have number on this side? See, I want to get rid of this -6. I'm going to add 6. See, if I add 6, I get 84 equals 14x. Now I can divide. Divide by 14. And now x equals 6. Okay. What do I do here? Aman, you've been quiet today. What do I do here? What plus what equals what? Aman, are you willing to talk to me today?
What?
What plus what equals what? Take a guess.
What plus what equals?
What plus
Okay,
what
so
equals
I
what?
know a little bit of this. I've been paying
All
attention.
right, go.
So 4x plus 11, right?
Right.
Then
Plus,
70,
yes,
and then
equals,
equals 9 plus 16x.
hey, ho, hey, ho, it's your birthday, it's your birthday, go on. Right? That's exactly right. Lovely. Over here. How about Sanaya? You willing to talk to me? Can you
We're
just
not
tell me
doing
what plus what equals what?
Uh,
And if you're wrong, it's okay. Just take a guess. What plus what equals what?
5x plus 7,
Equals
26.
plus.
4x minus 7.
Good job, Sanaya. Right? This plus this equals that. Very good. Good job. How about Mandy? What plus what equals what? Take a guess. If you're wrong, it's okay. Mandy. How about? Go ahead.
4x minus 2 and 10x minus 3 equal 93.
Mandy.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. It's your birthday. Go, Mandy. Go. All right. There you go. So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, let's take a look at what your shiznizza looks like today. All right, so your first set of problems will be this, all right? By the way, wait, let me, hold on, I want to come back to this. Here, how do I get X? What am I going to do with these two numbers?
track.
Subtract, right? Because X plus 23 equals 129. So I'm going to do 129 minus 23, right? Easy. What am I going to do here? 133 minus 18, right?
Track.
What am I going to do here? 155 minus 46, right? Aha. What am I going to do here? 125 minus what?
90.
90. Now, here's the problem, all right? Here's the problem, all right? Here, that's one way to do it. but 125 minus 90 would give me this angle here, right? Look at this. How silly is this? All I have to do, don't these two angles right here add up to 180? Just watch out for this, okay? All you got to do is 180 minus 125. Your answer is going to be 55 here, okay? Just look out for that. Not all these problems are the same. Here, what am I going to do? 127 minus 17. Here, what am I going to do? Once again, look at this.
180 minus 17.
180 minus 117, right? Okay. 180 minus 117. Over here, 180 minus 151, right? Next. 180 minus 141, right? Can I please have a thumbs up if you understand what I'm talking about? 180 minus any particular?
Yes.
Thank you, Amanda. Thank you, Jaden, Lachey, Jay Sean. All right. Niani, Mr. Ferguson, Aman, thank you. Jasmine, thank you. Okay, okay, okay. $157 minus 45, right? All right.
112 minus 90.
Okay, interesting. Let's talk about this problem for a second. This one's a little different. Ah. This is 90 here. Here's my X. Here's 112. Do you agree that if I do 180 minus 112, I'll get 68, that this here is 68? Okay, because 112 from 180 is 68. All right, so now no, you're right. You said did you say, Jay Sean, did you say 112 minus 90?
Yes.
That's correct. I'm sorry. My brain just went haywire for a second. That's perfect. Because if I do 68 plus 90, all right, I get 158 from 180. That's the same thing. Yeah, you're right. Either way, I'm going to get 22. Okay. So you're very good. Okay. So 112, here we go. $112 minus 90. Very good, Jay Sean. Sorry, I don't know why I had a brain fart there. All right. Once again, 78 minus 54, right? All you have to do is 180 minus 68 here, right? 180 minus 68. Okay. 118 minus 90, like Jay Sean said in the last problem. Okay. All right. Now, here's the other set of problems. The other set. Now, you only have to do 2 of these problems. I know you're looking at this right now and you're saying, what the fiddlesticks? I know. All right. Look, this is easy. All right. Just read the problem. Okay. Watch this. Oy. Okay. Just read the problem. What is the first thing it says? It says triangle PQR. Okay. PQR. It says PR is extended through R. All right. That means PQR. It doesn't matter where you draw PQR. It says PR is extended through point R. Here we go. Ready? See, there's the extension. PR goes through point R to point S. Here's point S. Okay. Now it says measure angle QRS. What's QRS? QRS, here's Q, right? There's Q. QRS, that's this angle here. QRS is 4x minus 15. RPQ, that's this angle, x plus 1. PQR, that's this angle, x minus 2. Now it says find RPQ. That means I have to find this angle here. Okay. So what do? I do this. I take x plus 1 plus x minus 2 equals 4x minus 15. Right? You see what I did? I took this plus this equals this, right? X plus x is 2x. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 equals 4x minus 15. Okay. Now I'm going to minus 2x. Negative 1 equals 2x minus 15. Add 15. 15 minus 1 is 14 equals 2x. Divide 2. X equals 7. That's not the answer. Why not, Weiss? X equals 7. I've got x equals 7. What did it say? It said find angle RPQ. What's RPQ? RPQ is this guy right here. What's RPQ? X plus 1. X plus 1. What's 7 plus 1? 7 plus 1 is 8. That's my answer. My answer is 8. Okay. Mr. Weiss, that was too much work. I know. I only gave you 2 of those. 2 of those. All right. Go. I'm going to sit here while you do your assignment. Should only take you 20 minutes because the first 8 are going to take you 5 minutes max. Shouldn't take you even 5 minutes. Hope you're not leaving. I want to see you get this assignment done.
Hey, I have a question about one of the answers I have.
Okay,
So basically, it's 133, and it basically wants me to find the x. So that would mean I would have to like add it together or something.
do you want to share your screen? I'm
Yes,
not sure
yes,
you-
please.
Go ahead.
This is it.
All right. Don't you want to do 133 minus 90? Because x,
133 minus 90.
doesn't x plus 90 equal 133?
Well, yeah, that's what it does. Oh, yeah, it does.
So you want to do 133 minus 90.
133 minus 90.
Does that make sense or no?
Let me check. Yeah, it would make sense.
Because I don't want you to just type something on your calculator if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Hmm.
Do you have
Yeah.
do you have a piece of paper in front of you?
Yeah. Yes.
Write down x plus 90
X plus 90
equals
equals
133.
133.
Look at this picture.
What pick? Oh, yeah, I do. I see it.
Does it make sense that x plus 90
Wait,
equals 133?
Wait. I gotta do something first. I gotta do something real quick. It's really important. It's really not important. Never mind. Just never mind.
Okay. Do you understand that x plus 90 equals 133?
Yes.
And what would you do to both sides of that equation?
Subtract it.
Subtract what?
130 from
No. Subtract what number?
90. Oh, wait,
Subtract
130.
90.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes. Okay, that's why it's 133 minus 90.
Yes. And so,
Okay.
wait, it's 90?
I didn't say that. Did I ever say that? I didn't say
No.
that.
No, you didn't say that.
Are you using your calculator?
I got it right on. Yeah, I got it. I'm using it. Wait, so you're saying that subtracted by 90 by 133? Oh, yeah. Thank you.
But do you understand why?
Yeah, because it was
Right.
because it has to be equivalent
Okay.
to, right?
Okay, yeah.
So do I leave or do I stay?
When you're done, you leave.
Gotcha.
Well, you got a birthday on Saturday, huh? You don't know how to get the delta math, Aman?
Bro, it's your birthday?
Saturday.
Yeah, I'm getting on right now to do these assignments.
You never gone to delta math before, Aman?
Yeah.
You remember your login to delta math?
Yeah, I'm in right now. Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Mr. West, that's what I don't understand. It's the triangle one, and I'm trying to do it, and I thought I had it, but I don't.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
Never mind. I see where I went wrong. Never mind.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, I see where I went wrong.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Weiss, I know I already asked this question once.
You can ask again.
Basically,
Jay Sean, can you stop
I-
sharing for a second?
I understand the answer of one of my questions. I subtracted it, and it got me to the same answer that's got to the answer on the bottom.
Can you share your screen?
Okay. This is the original problem. This is one.
Yeah.
One. Or one.
So what are you gonna do?
I did subtract it by 180. 80.
No.
and- yeah.
No.
Yeah, I know. I know that wasn't the
114
answer. 114.
minus 90, right?
90. Oh yeah, 90. Minus 90 is.
Do you understand why it's minus 90 though?
Oh yeah. I understand now. Thank you.
90 plus X equals 114.
Yeah. How I stop sharing? I can't see it. Can you stop me from sharing?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Okay, minus. All right.
I finished, Mr. Weiss.
Jaden, that was you?
Yes, sir.
Hang on one second.
Okay. Damn, this is hard.
Jaden, have a good day. Say no. Wait. Oh, okay. Never mind. You're good. Have a good day.
All right.
Say no drugs.
You
Peace.
too.
All right, now I'm confused for this one.
All right.
So I'll share my screen.
Go for it.
All right, this one I'm confused on. I add these two together and I do.
Well, here's what I want you to do.
Yes.
Could you draw yourself a triangle?
All right, I got a triangle on my paper.
All right. Could you put the letters P, Q, and R?
P, Q, and R. P, Q, and R on the top or on the left or right?
One angle needs to be P.
Okay.
One angle needs to be Q.
Gotcha.
One angle needs to be R.
All right, got it.
Ready? Okay.
Gotcha. Yeah.
It says PR is
PR.
extended through point R. So here's what I want you to do. Put your pencil on the P.
Yeah, it's on P.
Is it on the angle, not the letter?
It's on the angle. Yeah, it's on the
Okay.
angle.
Now, draw all the way to R. Draw all the way to R, and then just keep going, keep going, keep going until you
All right.
almost run off the paper.
Hey,
Okay.
Mr. Weiss.
Yeah.
So when there is no, when it doesn't say like.
All right,
it's
I got
extended
it to it.
all
I got
inside,
to it.
Okay, hang on, Paul. I'm sorry. What, Jay Sean?
When it doesn't say that it's extended, does that mean that all of the everything's inside?
Yes.
All right.
Okay. So now on that line that's hanging out, okay, put a dot at the end of that line
All right, got it.
and name it S.
And name it S.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. So now, all right. So where's PQR? Would you agree that's the same as angle Q?
No. Yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
Angle PQR is the same as angle Q.
Yes.
Because if I went from P to Q to R, that's the same as angle Q, right?
Right.
So inside that angle Q, write 2x plus 1.
2x. Okay, right near. Okay. Can you say that again, please?
Inside angle Q,
Angle Q.
write 2x plus 1.
2x plus 1.
Do you see, do you see on your screen where it says angle PQR equals 2x plus 1?
Yes.
That's the same as saying angle Q equals 2x plus 1.
Wait, I couldn't hear you. Glitched out.
That's the same as angle Q equals 2x plus 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see QRS?
Yes, QRS.
That's the same as the outside angle that you made, the exterior angle. Do you know what I mean by the exterior angle?
Yes.
Put 10x minus 10 there.
Okay.
And then it says angle RPQ. That's the same as angle P.
Mm-hmm.
Put 3x plus 14. There's something wrong with your mic, Gerard? All right, did you put 3x plus 14 in angle P?
Yes.
Okay. So now, would you agree that 2x plus 1, write this down, ready?
Yeah. Wait. Can I look at what you're writing?
Well, you have to look at your own screen, I guess, because yours, I can't
Yeah.
share my screen because you're sharing yours.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Okay, well, we're right.
Oh.
Do all right. Yeah.
2x plus 1
2x plus 1
plus
plus
3x plus 14
3x plus 14
equals.
I'm finally done, Mr. White.
equals.
Okay, have a good day.
10x
Very good. Minus 10.
minus 10.
Solve for x.
Solve for x. Gotcha.
Okay.
So yeah, so 2 plus. Oh wait, I add the 3 together and that becomes 4,
I'm gonna
right?
let you do it. You stop sharing. You do it. I'm gonna answer. Gerard has a question now. I'm gonna answer.
Okay. Can you do the same thing
I'll
you did?
do that. Yeah, I'll take care of that. Okay. Gerard, what do you mean? When am I turning the video? Do you mean when am I gonna email you the video of today's lesson? Yeah, probably about 20 minutes. Okay. Gerard, by the way, will you answer me yes or no? I just got an email that I have a parent conference tomorrow with JC. That's either you or Jasmine Cueva. Do I have a parent conference tomorrow with you? It's you? Okay. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I'm out. It's 2:30. We're done.
Hey, Mr. Weiss, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you now, Gerard.
Who
I
still needs
did.
help?
I turned in 7.
Who still needs
check-
help?
What? Oh, Jay Sean, are you offering help?
Yeah, who still needs help?
Oh, okay,
Mr.
Yeah.
Wash.
Yeah.
All right, bye for now.
okay,
Mr. Wash.
yes.
When you're gonna put in the grades for the other Delta math?
I just put grades in last night for Delta Math.
Okay.
All right.
So nobody needs help.
I got 90 out of 100
Jay
or
Sean
something.
is offering help to anybody. Anybody else want help?
Help me.
I'm about to turn in my Delta math right now.
Okay. Thanks, Jay Sean. I appreciate that.
Help me, Mr.
See you,
Weiss.
Amanda.
All right, Mr. Weiss, have a good week.
All right, you too. Gerard, what's your question?
I said I turned in something like 90 out of 100 on one of the forms.
Oh, one of the forms?
Yeah,
Uh,
I forgot which form was it though.
you forgot which one, huh? Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll check it out, okay? I'll give you the credit. I'll check it out. I'll give you the credit, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good one.
You
Mr.
too.
Ferguson, we'll see you. Have a good one.
You too. Have a good one.
Thanks. You too.